Hey guys, Emily Seagrin here, and I am here to tell you about one of the free gift bundles you get to choose from when you sign up to become an Avon representative. So it's only $30 to sign up. That gives you access to training, your own website, your marketing materials, and then you get to pick from these gifts. So I'm gonna show you the I'm a Glowgetter. And this one has 5 products in it. And the first product is going to be your Avon Magics. Okay, there we go. It is our face perfector. So it's colorless and it's a primer to go on before your makeup. So you can see, there we go, that it's white until you blend it in, and then it blends right in and is colorless. Okay, makes your skin look smooth, lets you apply your makeup evenly, and makes your makeup go further. So that is one of our top selling products. It also comes with our Love at First Lash Mascara, which I love. I'll have to do this when I can get it closer up, but it is amazing. It has heart-shaped fibers, and you can use it with our activating lash serum and brow growth serum. Okay, so those are the 2 products that it comes with. And then we have our True Color Nourishing Lipstick in Parmesan Pink. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but that's what I'm going with. It actually applies lighter than it looks from the tube there. Okay, so it's almost, it's a little sheer and gives you some plump and shine. The next product it comes with is the True Color Quad in Mocha Latte. Mine's kind of old and I've used it a lot. It's my favorite one. And then it also comes with a new vitamin C serum, brightening serum. So you want to apply this. It has the equivalent of 30 oranges, equivalent of vitamin C, same as 30 oranges. Amazing. So I am super excited to show you that set. Check out the other 2 sets, Better Than Basics and Best Face Forever. Okay, I hope you join our team. We love what we do. We're supportive, we're encouraging. We have men, we have women, we have online sellers, recruiters. We sell over 3 million and are one of the fastest growing teams in the nation. So come join us, sellingbeautyonline.com. My name is Emily Seagrin. I would love to have you start your own Avon business today. All right, talk to you later, guys. Bye.